Hello, Bulacaños. It's me again, your Bulacañong Hilaw. Today, napadpad tayo sa Barangay Bungahan, Malolos, Bulacan to check out Coffee Lokal. This cafe proves that you don't need a fancy ambience to enjoy great coffee. You can have the same satisfying experience at a budget-friendly price. Nagsimula noong 2024 bilang online coffee delivery business, eventually they opened the physical cafe right in their own yard, starting with camping chairs at mga patio umbrellas lang. They first served coffee drinks pero habang lumalaki yung kanilang customer base, unti-unti rin nilang in-improve ang kanilang menu. Ngayon, meron na rin silang non-coffee drinks, fraps, fruit drinks, pika-pika at all-day breakfast meals. For the rice meal, we tried bacon, tocino, tapa, Shanghai, and Hungarian sausage. This is all paired with fried rice and egg na. For merienda, we tried the creamy ramen, creamy buldak with a little bit of spice, shake fries, nachos fries, clubhouse fries at nachos overload. I like how affordable the rice meals are, pero yung fried rice talaga yung nagdala. It's lightly toasted, cooked to the right texture, and well seasoned. Hindi kasi sunog yung garlic, kaya sakto lang yung flavor at ang sarap ng blend niya sa rice. I also enjoyed the nachos overload and the creamy ramen. Now for the drinks, I really fell in love with the dragon fruit frap and the strawberry lychee lemon slush. Both were refreshing and perfect, especially on a hot day.
If ever po na magagawi kayo dito sa Malolos, Bulacan or dito specifically sa Bungahan, feel free to visit Coffee Local po and wag po kayong mahiya kasi sobrang comforting lang po ng place namin and hindi to intimidating.
Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Drop by Coffee Local and enjoy good food and drinks without worrying about spending too much. Open sila Monday to Thursday from 2:30 p.m. to 11 p.m. and Friday to Sunday from 2:30 p.m. until midnight. Planning an event? You can also hire Coffee Local as a food cart, perfect for birthdays, weddings, corporate events, and other special occasions. Paano? Kita-kits on our next food trip? Yours truly, your Bulacanang Hilaw. Bye!